Hello students, myself Assistant Professor Namrata Khilochia, Profile BBA College, Vapi. With respect to the subject business startup and innovation, we are moving further with the aspects of SSI. In the last one session, we had already discussed different aspects of SSI, that is infrastructure, raw material, machinery and finance. In this section, we will be going to move further with the marketing and incentive aspects. So let's begin the session with marketing aspect. The rationale of the government purchase scheme of the corporation lies in the fact that Government of India is the largest single buyer, and by channelizing this purchase in favor of the small scale units, it gives a tremendous motivation to the marketing of SSI's products. The salient features of the schemes are 5. Let's discuss this one by one. First one, the small scale unit desiring to avail themselves of the assistance have to enlist or register themselves with the NSIC, that is National Small Industries Corporation. Second one, instead of purchasing tender sets from the DGS and D, it stands for Directorate General of Supplies and Disposals, the small units enlisted with the NSIC automatically get them from it and its branches with free of cost. Third, if their prices are acceptable to the DGS and D, they are not required to pay a security deposit on the issue of a competency certificate by the NSIC, as they are already registered with the National Small Industries Corporation. Fourth one, price preferences up to 15% over the quotation of large scale unit is considered by the purchasing agency depending on the merit of each cases. Fifth one, whenever they feel that injustice has been done to them, the NSIC takes up their cases with the DGS and D and other government departments such as Defense, the Railway and the Post and Telecommunication in order to find out the reason for non-placement of contracts with the SSI unit and tries to redress their grievances or solve their problem. So grievances means problems. In the beginning, purchase in the respect of only 16 items were reserved exclusively for SSI sector. The number of such items has steadily increased to 409 items in 1995 to 1996 with this NSIC. Besides, in respect of 13 items, purchase up to 75% and the respect of 20 items, purchase up to 50% of the requirement are earmarked or important for the small scale sector. The corporation also helped SSI in securing contracts from other government departments such as Railway, Post and Telegraphs, etc. also. With this, the purchase program has been restricted purely to the central purchase house like DGS&D, the post and telecommunication and railways. It is proposed to extend the base further to cover the state government department such as State Electricity Board, PWD, that is Public Work Department, etc., and provide license offices at each of the principal center of the state. So here we move for motivating the SSI or availing the various incentives. It is advisable to seek the help of the SISI and the director of the industries. Here again I am repeating, SISI stands for Small Industries Service Institute. Small scale industries are the industrial units having an investment in fixed assets in the plant and machinery not exceeding rupees 10 lakhs. The ancillary units are those having an investment in fixed assets in plant and machinery not exceeding rupees 15 lakhs, and they are engaged in the manufacture of parts and components. The SIDO, that is the Small Industrial Development Organization, Ministry of Industry, Nirman Bhavan, New Delhi, coordinates policies and programs at the national level and provides a comprehensive range of extension services through its network of 16 Small Industries Service Institute, 19 branch institute and 45 extension centers. At the state level, different organizations like State Director of Industries, Small Industries Development Corporation, Finance Corporation caters to the needs of small industries. These needs include need for land, sheds, credit, power availability, raw material, machinery availability, etc. The NSIC, that is the National Small Industries Corporation, Okhla, New Delhi, has been providing machines and equipment on hire purchase basis to entrepreneurs, assist unit to participate in store purchase program, and providing training and development and prototype development facilities. Registration with the NSIC entitles the SSI unit to obtain facilities from the central or state government organization. New units have to apply to the respective state directors of industries for provisional registration, which is given within a week. It enables the party or entrepreneur to take the necessary steps to bring the unit into existence. That is, apply for sheds in industrial estate or develop sites for water and power connection and for credit facilities. After the entrepreneur has taken all the steps, it can apply for registration with NSIC. Now, SIDO. Small Industries Development Organization, that is SIDO, provides technical consultancy on improved technical process, use of modern machines and equipment, and technical assistance on all aspects of production. Each SISI has attached workshops for common facility service, training of workers, demonstration of the modern machineries and process, making of tools and dies, etc. Now let's talk regarding CITD, that is the Central Institute of Tool Design, Hyderabad, has been specializing in the provision of technical consultancy and tool facilities, training in the design and manufacture of the tools. Not only that, the IDEMI, that is the Institute for the Design of Electrical Measuring Instrument, Mumbai, provides technical know how and testing, calibration, laboratory testing, workshop, and training facility to manufacturers of electric measures instruments. The PDTC, that is the Prototype Development and Training Center at Okhla, Rajkot, and Havra, develop prototype of machine tools and other machinery, provides assistance to the SSI in the manufacture of prototype machines, technical consultancy, and training. The Product and Process Development Center in Glass and Ceramics, Ranchi, has been developing new products, variable processes, new design of product and machinery, consultancy, services, and training. Under the modernization program for selected industries, guidance and assistance are provided to the SSI unit to adopt modern production and management technique with a view to improving their productivity and competitive strength with the other units. Technical assistance, guidance in a wide range of industries is provided by specialized institution and expert. Testing facilities are available at the Regional Testing Center, New Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, and also at the SSI workshops also. So, these are the different motivational or incentive tools offered to the SSI units. Thank you, students.